So the CPI report came in this morning and we actually beat expectations. Why does this matter? What is the CPI report and why does it matter to investors? So for those of you that are new investors, the CPI is just a fancy way of saying are prices going up or down. If it's higher than expected, then the Fed might hike rates, stocks dip, and those premiums that we collect as option sellers pop off, right? If it's lower, stocks pump, more volatility equals better trade. So what does it mean specifically with the numbers that the CPI report is telling us? Well, the headline CPI, 2.8 versus the 2.9 that was expected. This is including everything, all right? It includes food, energy, housing, all that stuff, and it is the broadest measure of inflation. You see another number here where you're seeing the core on the screenshot that I showed here, right? The core CPI is a 3.1 versus a 3.2. Well, what's the difference? What's the headline CPI versus the core CPI? Well, the core CPI is this. It excludes food and energy since they're more volatile, right? It gives a cleaner look at inflation trends, all right? Now, does the CPI matter to investors? Sure. Can the CPI numbers be fudged? Yes, very much so. You can go read the entire report on the CPI by going and just typing in February Consumer Price Index 2025, and you'll be able to download the full brochure that lists out all of the items as well as details on each if you want to take a look at that. Also, I release content like this every single day talking all things selling options. So if you want to stay up to date, make sure to like and follow and drop any of your questions down below.